The year 1947 marks the beginning of an era. Enzo Ferrari built his first car in Maranello, the Ferrari 125 Sport. It was more than just a vehicle. It became the foundation of a brand that would later be described as a religion on wheels. Ferrari quickly rose to become one of the most fascinating brands in the world. Each model seemed to carry myth and magic, defined by exclusivity and a unique aura. Without Enzo Ferrari, none of this would have existed. He did not see his cars as simple machines. For him, they were living beings with an inner life. His influence still seems present in every new model that leaves the factory gates. Enzo Ferrari's vision set the tone for a company unlike any other. A manufacturer driven not by mass production, but by passion, racing spirit, and an unshakable belief in building cars that carried a soul. This is the beginning of the Ferrari myth. Born from a single car in 1947,